This one got hit down the side, some rocker panel damage.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona.
I have a Buick Enclave here. This one, it's going to be hard to see in this video because it's white and white doesn't show damage very well. But this one got hit down low here. And whenever this went in, there's a reinforcement beam in the door and it caused the outer door skin panel to bulge out right across here. So I'm going to go ahead and start working this. And as I bring this dent out, I'm going to tap across this bulge right here. And it should kind of level the metal out as I work that out and flatten that back in at the same time. So I have a Honda Accord here. This one got hit down the side. It's getting 2 new doors. Then it has some rocker panel damage right here, stuffed in pretty good. I'm gonna have to weld a couple tabs on here probably in order to bring that out. And then there's a little repair on the quarter panel. So I'm gonna go ahead and start working the metal out and get the metal roughly to shape, and then I'll fit the doors on it. So now I have, there's a bottom line where this kind of rolls under right here that's stuffed pretty good. And I got a different tool out for this. I'm gonna put keys across here and I'll show you how this is done. First I gotta connect my ground.